Our next segment is Special Report. Many new fabrics are being developed using today's advanced technologies. For our first special report, we would like to introduce a special high-tech garment, which is a result of a technical collaboration between a textile manufacturer and an insecticide manufacturer. Here's the story on their battle against the enemy, mosquitoes.
There is now worldwide diffusion of more than 3,000 species of mosquitoes in the world due to the global logistics and increase of world travel. In Japan also, people who engage in outdoor activities such as farm work, gardening, or golf have long been pestered by mosquitoes. A manufacturer with a market share of more than 50% for insect repellents and pesticides in Japan collaborated with a Japanese leading textile manufacturer for the joint development of the mosquito-proof outdoor wear, Scoron.
1回、2回、3回ぐらいまでは持つ商品というのは従来ございました。これはもうカプセルの中にそういう材を入れたものを付着させということでありまして、こういうのは耐久性を持たないということなんですが、私どもの商品はですね、要するにバインディングですね、接着剤の技術。
Teijin pursued its research in two aspects: increasing the effectiveness of the chemicals and improving its durability. After much trial and error, they succeeded in attaining a hybrid effect with nanotechnology. See how the chemicals are attached to the ultra-fine fibers, which are several hundred nanometers in size. Teijin developed its adhesive technology, but needed the cooperation of a pharmaceutical company to develop a new fabric that was insect-proof. The company which provided the research and technology for the insect repellent for this new fabric is Earth Chemical, located in Ako City of Hyogo Prefecture. Various species of mosquitoes from all over the world are bred at this laboratory and used for research. The coolest mosquito, responsible for spreading the West Nile virus and Japanese encephalitis. The Anopheles mosquito, which transmits malaria. The Aedes mosquito, which spreads dengue fever and yellow fever. Here, these insects are used for research and development for insect repellents and pesticides. The fabric used for Scoron was developed in this laboratory, using different types of chemicals.
食器はですね、通常に一般に使われてます忌避剤、体温で簡単に飛んでいくようなものなんですけども、そういったものを、使った方が一番いいんじゃないかなということでやってみたんですけども、実際に処理してもらいまして、でこちらの方に帰ってきた時に乾燥工程とかいろいろ入るわけですね。でそうしますと薬剤が全部飛んでしまってですね、何も残ってないと、飛びにくい薬剤ですね、これを探しまして、でなんとか忌避効果が残るものに一応作りました。
Devoted to the research of finding the ideal chemical, Mr. Nida will use his body as a subject for experiment. For 3 years, he continued to place his arm in a cage full of swarming mosquitoes. And finally, the chemical used for Scoron was born. Place 25 to 30 mosquitoes in a cage. His center arm wearing a regular shirt, and an arm wearing Scoron. Compare which arm will be more bitten by mosquitoes. The results are shown. Scoron, with its nanotechnology-based insect repellent fabric, keeps the mosquitoes away. According to the World Health Organization, out of the 300 to 500 million people who are infected by malaria annually, 170 million develop the disease. The fatality rate for malaria is 1%. approximately 30,000 deaths every year. Most of the fatalities are children in Africa who are younger than 5 years old.
私子供の写真見るの大好きなんですよ。でいろんなところで小さな子供さんですね、アフリカの方とかそういったところの子供さんの写真で目がものすごく可愛いんですね。でそういった子供さんをなんとかそういった被害から守りたいということで、今後もどんどん新しいものをですね開発していきたいなと思っておりますけど。
47 nations from Africa participated in the African Fair in early September to introduce products from their countries. Scoron was among these products, and it was met with great interest as a new way of keeping mosquitoes away, thus preventing infectious diseases, simply by wearing the clothing.
It is a very big problem we have because many people, mostly in the rural areas, that has that does not have much access to sanitation, suffer so much from this mosquito bites, and then they don't even have much access to medical facilities or medical drugs to help them cure themselves from malaria. In other words, many people die from it in the rural areas.
やはりマラリア蚊に対する恐怖心があるんでしょうか。この商品は何なんだという問い合わせがですね殺到いたしまして、で具体的には7カ国の大使の方がですね私に直接来られまして、ぜひこれからそういったものを使ってですね商品化したいんだけどどうしたらいいんだろうかというようなお問い合わせご相談を受けております。
Scoron, the anti-mosquito outerwear born by combining a nanotechnology developed by textile manufacturer and the insect repellent technology of pharmaceutical company. The developers frequently visit areas in Brazil, Africa, and Asia which suffer from malaria, promoting a use of Scoron, which they hope will be effective in preventing infectious diseases.
Here I have on a Scoron jacket and it's very lightweight and comfortable. Due to global warming, pest insects such as mosquitoes are spreading worldwide regardless of climate or region. With heightened global awareness for prevention of infectious diseases, expectations are high for Scoron, which prevents diseases simply by wearing the outfit. Well, we hope you enjoyed our first edition of Japan BizCast. Be sure to join us again next time. Until then, goodbye.